Hey guys, it's my birthday and I'm going out. I'm gonna meet up with Keiko and I'm gonna have a good time. I'm heading to Roppongi right now to one of my favorite restaurants. I go there almost every year. Yeah, I don't know if that's a bad thing, but the food is really good, so I'm gonna go hang with Keiko and I'm gonna keep you guys updated throughout the day. Planning a get together during these times are not even fun anymore because of the situation and you have to wear a mask and things like that, but it's gonna be a great evening. I'm excited. Hopefully I can show you guys my outfit. I was going to jazz it up a little bit and just do something weird and out of the blue with the shoe, but I decided to go with gold. Just match everything that I have on. Can't wait to show you guys. Heading to the train station right now. I'm just waiting. Yes, I haven't been here in a while, so I'm excited. Hills Vision. It's so pretty. They still have lights. Wow. Lights, lights, lights. Pretty, pretty. This is my favorite part, the water. Yes. So we're at the West Walk, Roppongi Hills, and we're gonna find the restaurant. You have? Yeah. Nice, nice. So we got to the restaurant, guys, and they have a mask holder. So when you take off your mask, you put it in here. Isn't that cute? It works. Got to the restaurant, guys. It's a bit dark in here, so we won't be able to make any videos per se. And we're gonna order some wine and then have the course menu. Yeah. This is the menu. Yeah. At first, they're gonna serve the fruit tomatoes. Then they're gonna serve us crab cakes, chestnut soup, USDA prime sirloin fish, and whipped potatoes, creamy spinach. For dessert, we're gonna have pavlova and coffee or tea. Very extensive menu. Good. Kelly Fox 2017. We're gonna do wine tasting and see if we want to get this wine. Let's taste it. Cheers! Very nice bottle of wine right here. It's a bit light but dry and it's actually really good. Yeah. Tomatoes.
Take it out the crab. The crab will be thick, and we take out the crab will be down inside, and then we little bit mix it with the bread, and then we make it like cake, and then we put it inside
In the oven.
take it out like that, and then finish it.
Wow.
It's very nice. It's like a very big process. It's very long process.
I realize that. Thank you. Nice. Chestnut soup topped with something that looks like scallion. I don't know how this is gonna taste, but I'm gonna try it and let's see.
Sauce, the horseradish cream sauce.
Horseradish. Okay.
With the funny steak.
Nice. For the steak. This is the fish. I'm not certain what kind of fish this is. Oh yeah. Fish. Maybe. He said so many things. Spinach and oh, so we got everything. Now we have spinach, mashed potatoes, sauce. Steak and fish. Happy birthday! Yeah. Happy birthday! What is inside? This is my tea. Yes, guys, we had fun at the restaurant and it's time to go. So we're leaving. See you guys next time. Nice bar, guys. They're closing soon, but this is a really nice bar. Opposite side. This looks interesting. I think that's a baby flower and the mama or papa flower. I don't know. You can see her eyes. And she has a child. Amazing. Yay. To the Olympics. The spider. Famous spider. Guys, this is the guy who made the great looking artwork. Yeah. Takeshi Murakami. Yeah, so nice. So I just got home from dinner today. I had dinner with my friend because I'm celebrating my special day. It was really amazing. The food was good as usual. I've been to that restaurant several times. I recommend that restaurant to anyone because you cannot go wrong if you go to that restaurant. The food is good. The wine list is amazing. Sometimes they have wines that are seasonal, so it's good that you can get to try out from a very large selection. So I was excited about that today. I wasn't expecting to get any gifts, but I got a gift and I want to open it on camera to share it with you guys. So guys, this is my gift. It comes in this very nice bag. The color is blue. That's my favorite color, as you guys already know. And yeah, I don't know what company this is, but it is not an English company. It looks like French or Italian something, but I'm just excited to see what's inside. So let's jump into the bag. Alright, so here we go. Oh, it comes in a box, guys. Wow. This is the box that it comes in, guys. It has a nice little bowl right here. The box is amazing. I really like the box. So like I said before, I wasn't expecting anything, so I'm just super excited to see what's inside. So let's jump in. Okay, so it has this, wow. It has this nice little seal right here at the front. Okay, that was pretty easy. And you can open, whoa. Oh my god, guys. Look at this, the color. It is great. It's great. I like it already. I already love it. Okay, so it's actually gray and white. Okay, let me just open this so that we can all get excited together. Alright. Got this gift from my special friend. Thank you. This is like amazing already. Open it. This packaging is absolutely amazing, guys. Oh. Okay. It's something for winter. It's for winter. Oh my goodness. It's it's a top. It's a top, guys. Oh my god. It does say the company's name on here. Yes, GELATO PIQUE. I hope I'm saying it correctly. But this is amazing, guys. I love it. I love it. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Look at this. I love it. Ooh. I just had to try it on. Look at this. It's actually perfect. The size is perfect. And they actually have a website, gelatopique.com. GELATO PIQUE Home has new relaxing room wear and will also make you happy. I am happy. This is my gift. Thank you so much. But yeah, guys, I had a wonderful birthday. This is where I'm gonna wrap up the video. If you are looking for a nice restaurant though to have dinner with your friends, brunch, or anything like that, the Oak Door. It's a luxury restaurant of Grand Hyatt in Tokyo, Roppongi Hills. That's where I had dinner today and it was amazing as usual. So you can check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that you can see when I upload another video. But thank you guys for watching and until next time. See you guys. Bye.